Welcome back to Saidi's Kitchen. Let's prepare delicious and tasty Chicken Mumtaaz in Saidi's kitchen style. Let's marinate the chicken first. We have taken 1 kg chicken. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons lemon, salt as per taste, one teaspoon of haldi, and mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. And give it a mix again. Then we will add 250 grams of whipped curd. Then mix everything really well. Then keep to marinate for about 1 hour. Now let's prepare special paste. In a boiling water and chopped onions, few nuts like cashews and almonds, also some mint leaves. And 3 to 4 green chilies. Let it boil until the onions changes color. Now, take everything in a blender and make a fine paste for later use. Now in a container add 1 cup of oil. Add whole spices like bay leaves, clove, cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper, star anise and jeera. One tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now add chopped onions. Fry the onions until golden brown. Let's add the marinated chicken. Let it cook for 10 minutes by closing the lid. It's time to add the special prepared paste. Mix evenly and let it cook for 5 minutes in medium heat. looking delicious. Add some cream. And garnish it with coriander. Our simple and delicious Chicken Mumtaaz is ready. Do try this simple recipe in your home. Let us know how was the recipe in the comments. And if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more mouth-watering recipes.